Okay, the number 8 is a boat problem, boat and current. So for all these, we're going to have a table with 2 rows and 3 columns, and we're going to use our formula distance equals rate times time. And then for boat problems in current, we're going to go upstream and downstream, or with the current and against the current. You can fill that in however you want. So upstream, and downstream. And if you want, in parentheses, you can put against, right? Because it's against the current. And downstream is with the current, right? Okay. So it says it takes about 2 hours, that's time, 2 hours, to travel 24 miles downstream. Oh, sorry, I filled that in wrong. Let's 2 hours to go 24 miles downstream, 24 miles downstream, and 3 hours to travel 18 miles upstream, 18 miles upstream. Okay, what's the current of the river? Okay, so we always have the boat and the current, And when you're going against the current slows you down, you subtract it, and when you're going with the current current gets added on to the boat speed in still water. So again, the B is the boat speed in still water, and the C is the current. Okay, so now our two equations come right across each row, right? Distance equals rate times time. So the first one is 18 equals 3 times B minus C. And the bottom one is 24 equals 2 times B plus C. Now, the easiest thing to do for these is to divide out, not to distribute the 3 in and the 2 in. So we're going to divide both sides of the top equation by 3. So we got 6 equals B minus C. And the bottom equation will divide both sides by 2, and we'll get 12 equals B plus C. And the reason why it's easiest to do that is because you can use elimination easily. So I'll add these two equations. I'll get 18 equals 2b and divide by 2. So we get 9 equals b. But in this case, they were asking us for the current. So we have to use one of our other equations. So I'll use 12 equals b plus c. And I'll substitute in 9 for b. 12 equals 9 plus c. Subtract 9 and get 3 equals c. C equals 3. So it says, what is the current of the river? And the current is 3 miles per hour. 3 miles per hour.